Hey guys, we're gonna turn these Claro Walnut burls into this. So stick around, you're not gonna wanna miss it. Hey guys, hope you're having a good day. I know we're gonna cut today. It's really exciting. It's Claro Walnut Burl. It's up here. All right, we're gonna grab 3 of these Claro Walnut burls up here. We're gonna set them down. We're gonna get the pressure washer, try to get all of the dirt, debris, and grime off of these things. There's always rocks and stuff, and if we don't have to sawmill it, that just keeps the cost down and keeps it easier for us to mill it. So we'll grab 3 of these things and set them down and get going on it. So they leave a little bit of English log on the top of these burls just for what I'm doing right there. It lets me pick this thing up and move it down without damaging any of that precious burl. Alright, so we're gonna say that's log or burl number 1. Let's grab this one right here. Oh, that's a dandy. Look at that. I don't know if that's going to stand up, but we'll see. Nope. Okay, that one may not cooperate. Alright, try again. Okay, there we go. See, these are brand new burls. You can see water coming out of them for me just grabbing the top there. Okay. So we got 3 of them out. This is what one of these Claro Walnut burls looks like right out of the ground. In fact, these have actually already been pressure washed once down in California. And you can see why we're gonna pressure wash these a second time. We've got lots of clay buildups in here. I'm just knocking clay out of there. And there's could be little rocks and stuff in there. Usually there is. There's more clay down here. And then this guy, same deal. It's got these little incursions that are just full of dirt. And that actually looks, yeah, that's like rock right here. So that's probably not gonna mill too well. And same on this big guy. The other thing we're gonna do, since we've got them kind of tipped over, they're not gonna sit on the mill the way we need them to. So I'm gonna take the chainsaw and just kind of flatten this bottom up and get that face, or the bottom, parallel to the way I want to cut these slabs. Get these nice big, basically like coffee table slabs that are round, and get them cut. Yeah, lots of clay and stuff in here. So let me grab my safety stuff and we'll do some pressure washing. So we've got this one probably 80% pressure washed at this point, and we still have a lot of clay in here. There's walnut halves, whole walnuts in here. I'm sure they're not good anymore, but it's just crazy what you find inside of these things. So whatever the coffee didn't do to wake me up this morning, getting this stuff splattered in my face and the cold water will definitely suffice until I can have my coffee later. So Slabzilla is a little bit hungry or thirsty this morning. I don't know how much diesel we're gonna take, but it's gonna be over 100 gallons easy. There we go. 125.6 gallons. I think we got off easy today. We love having our huge equipment here, but there's always a price to pay with big equipment, and it's diesel in this case. So here's the hard part. This is gonna hurt. So we got 124.8 gallons of dyed diesel, so it's off-road diesel. We didn't have to pay road tax on it because I maintain the roads here. It's not state or federal. It's $258.9 a gallon for $323.11. So I'm getting ready to cut the root pieces off of the stump. Or I guess the root's off the stump? Yeah. Chicken before the egg. Okay, eyes, ears, nice and sharp. And there's more clay. Oh yay. So, pretty sure we hit more clay. I'm gonna take the log loader and try to pull it off. See if that works. So the beauty of heavy equipment is hopefully I cut enough through that I'm gonna be able to take it and just pop it off of there. And then we'll be ready to cut it on Slabzilla. Okay, I'm going to put the grapple just a little bit on the side of the good wood there. It's really hard to get the grapples to stay still. Okay, missed it that time. We've got a couple different ways we can go about this. There we go. And there it is. Rip that off of there. We're done. All right, we ripped off the big chunk. You know, there's a bunch of clay right there. There's some more of it. Yeah, kind of felt like I went through some metal, but maybe I didn't. Yeah, if you can get the bark off, you're gonna get most of the dirt out of there, which is really nice. The treasures of cutting these big Claros, you never know what's inside. It's kind of like a box of chocolate. I think somebody else said that a few years back. You never know what's in here. So the non-treasure for this one, or the treasure, is this big rock right here. So lights out for the steel chainsaw, blade's done, we got to change it, and all because of one rock. So that one lasted about 2-3 minutes or so, and that's actually pretty common for these. You're just going to hit stuff. But I'd rather hit it with a chainsaw because all we have to do is resharpen it. then to hit it with Slabzilla and have a $300 blade change out.
Hello?
Hey, honey.
Hey,
How you doing?
I'm good.
Good. Can I order my coffee now?
Sure, what do you want?
Just the regular.
Okay, you bet. I'll bring it right out.
All right. Thank you.
Okay.
Love you, honey.
Bye.
Bye.
Love you too. Bye.
Coffee. Oh, thank you. So this is some of the Claro Walnut Burl that we just cut. They're in 3-inch thick slabs that will give it a little bit of leeway when drying with shrinkage and when we run it through the planer. So these will end up being about 2 1/4 thick, maybe 2 3/8 when we're done, and they're ready to sell. But this is just a typical one right here, and it's got lots of little burl eyes with these elongated color patterns that go through it. And this one right here, this is more of a quarter sawn, so the burl eyes are out at the end, so you can see these points that are going out here, and at the end it's sharp, so that's what the burl looks like quarter sawn. If you sliced it right here and looked at this face, it would look like this right here. But this is spectacular material. It's a huge range of color, browns, blacks, a little bit of red in there, just spectacular stuff. It's got a heart defect in here, which clear epoxy can fill. But this is just great material. It's exciting. I feel like a kid in a candy store out here cutting it up. This one's got even tighter burl eyes in here and little swirls. That's just stunning stuff. These are going to be great for coffee tables, which I love coffee, so I want one out of coffee. If you're listening, Catherine, this is what I want right here for Christmas. I want a coffee table so I can drink my coffee at it. These will be great for end tables and things like that too. If you're a guitar maker, you could buy one of these slabs, maybe like this one right here, that's got a little defect there, and you can still get beautiful drop tops or arch tops for any kind of guitar you want to make. Hey guys, if you liked the video today, please hit the like button at the bottom of the page and subscribe. Please stick around for some more great videos coming your way, and please visit cookwoods.com for some more amazing wood for your projects. Thank you.